Hey, what's going on? I have a projectile here that Daniel Reed printed up for us, 3D printed up for us. It looks like the top, this last circle here, shifted when it was printing. If you can see that discrepancy in there, that layer is off. It's like shifted slightly. And then that's one thing I want to address. And then you can see the ridges, the layers in there as they printed. They left ridges. I want to see if I can do something about that. This is our, I guess, our 5-inch 5-inch model, and I forget what pound. It's probably going to be like 6 pounds cast in cement. But what I want to do is I have a drywall hopper, that machine right there. Okay, see that? Sprays drywall. You know, the mud. So what I want to do is I want to put this on some type of a turntable, and I'm probably going to use a wagon, like a red flyer wagon, turn it on its side and put some cardboard shielding, and then some type of a turntable on it that I can easily spin. It should have some weight to it, so I can just get it spinning and then hit it with the hopper, because I want a nice even, like what they call an orange peel texture over it. And I may or may not sand it smooth after that, leave it the orange peel texture. But I want to, you know, kind of fill that discrepancy in there, and sand it down. So I'll probably end up sanding it down till just right at the ridges, you know, just as the ridges, or just before the ridges start showing through. And maybe even take the time and use my finger and a little piece of sandpaper or something, and try and sand it smooth, and just get it smooth. I think the dimples are too big. I think we need to use a pattern like a golf ball pattern, actually at that size, you know, the size of dimples that are on golf balls, and we'll have better results, less drag. These projectiles have proven to fly really straight, you know, really accurate. But I think we can reduce the drag on them, reduce the dimple size, and, you know, clean it up, make it smooth. So I may go ahead and shoot the drywall on it, get an even coat on it, sand it smooth, take the time, sand the dimples out, and then spray it with a primer and a paint, so it has like a high gloss paint, so it has a really slick surface. And then we'll cast our mold. I wanted to get that. I want to cast that. Get that mold cast this week, where we can start casting projectiles with it. Now that we have a machine that is specifically designed to throw in that range. So that's the plan. Talk to you later.